Welcome back to Buddy English. Speak smart, speak confident.
I studied English for 7 years. 7 years. I had textbooks, flashcards. I watched American movies with subtitles. I even, and I am not proud of this, I memorized the entire grammar book, page by page.
Then what happened?
A tourist asked me for directions, and I said, and I quote, the bus is go?
The bus is go. Classic.
It was a classic disaster.
Friends, what Bella just described? Millions of people feel exactly the same way. And today, we are going to fix it. Welcome to Buddy English, where your English gets better every single day. I'm Sam.
And I'm Bella, who survived 7 years of grammar and still said, the bus is go. Let's do this.
Okay, Bella, let me ask you something. When you were studying all those years, what were you actually doing every day?
I was reading grammar rules, memorizing vocabulary lists, doing exercises in my textbook. You know, studying.
And how many minutes a day were you actually speaking English? Out loud, to a real person, or even to yourself?
I mean, I would read the sentences out loud sometimes.
Bella.
Almost zero.
And that, my friends, is the #1 reason people study English for 5, 6, 7 years and still freeze the moment a real conversation starts. Here's the truth that no textbook will tell you. Studying English and using English are completely different skills.
Okay, but I learned all those grammar rules. Shouldn't that help me speak?
Let me give you an analogy. Imagine you want to learn how to swim. So you read 10 books about swimming. You memorize every technique. You watch videos. You know exactly what your arms should do, what your legs should do, how to breathe.
Okay, no. I see where this is going.
Now, someone throws you into the pool. Can you swim?
I am absolutely sinking to the bottom.
Exactly. Grammar is the book. Speaking is the pool. You can know everything and still drown. So right now, all of you watching, I want you to think honestly. How much time do you spend using English versus just studying it? Now, there are 3 specific mistakes that keep people stuck. And Bella, you made all 3, correct?
I think I made all 3 and invented a 4th one.
Okay, mistake #1. So many learners say, I will start speaking when my English is better. But here's the problem. Your English only gets better when you start speaking. It is a loop. You have to jump in before you feel ready.
Oh man, that was me exactly. I kept thinking, okay, just 1 more month, 1 more chapter, 1 more unit, and then I'll be ready to talk.
And when did you finally feel ready?
I never did. The tourist question hit me by surprise.
Exactly. Readiness doesn't come before practice. It comes through practice. All right, mistake #2. This one is huge, especially in cultures where making mistakes in public is embarrassing. People stay silent because they're afraid of saying something wrong. But here's what fluent speakers actually know.
What do they know?
Mistakes are data. Every mistake you make tells your brain exactly what to fix. When you said, the bus is go, your brain never forgot that. I bet you've never said it again.
Oh, you're right. That moment is burned into my memory forever.
That's how real learning happens. Pain, embarrassment, laughter. These are the things your brain remembers, not neat grammar rules in a textbook. So welcome mistakes. They are your fastest teachers. Now, mistake #3. This is the sneaky one. People think they're immersed in English. They watch movies, listen to music, read articles, but they're doing it passively. They're spectators. The brain doesn't store passive input the same way it stores active output.
What does active output mean exactly?
It means you produce the language, you speak, you write, you describe what you see around you in English, out loud, to yourself. You have pretend conversations in the shower. Yes, I said it. Talk to yourself in English. No shame.
I actually tried this. I would narrate my morning routine like I was a nature documentary. And here, the man slowly reaches for his coffee.
Perfect. That is exactly it. David Attenborough method. I love that.
Did it help?
Tell our viewers.
Yeah, honestly, after just 2 weeks of doing that every morning, I noticed I was finding words faster. Like they were just there, available, instead of me going fishing for them in a panic.
Okay, so we talked about what doesn't work. Now let's give everybody 3 things they can start today, right now, after this video ends.
These better be things I could have done 7 years ago.
Oh, they absolutely are. Let's go. Every single day, set a timer for 5 minutes. And for those 5 minutes, speak English out loud, nonstop. Doesn't matter what. Describe your room. Tell the story of your day. Explain what you had for breakfast. The topic doesn't matter. The speaking does.
5 minutes doesn't sound like much.
5 minutes every day is 1,825 minutes a year. That's over 30 hours of speaking practice versus 0. Which would you rather have?
Okay, 30 hours? Yeah, I'll take the 30 hours.
Next is the shadowing technique. This is one of the most powerful tools for pronunciation and fluency. Here's how it works. Find a video, a YouTube video, a short clip, anything with natural English speech. Play it, and repeat every sentence out loud as you hear it. Don't wait. Shadow the speaker. Match their rhythm, their speed, their emotion.
That sounds hard.
It is hard at first. That's the point. Your mouth, your tongue, your brain, they're all training at once. After 2 weeks of this, you will be shocked at how much more natural you sound. Language schools charge hundreds of dollars to teach this technique. We're giving it to you right now. Finally start thinking in English. Right now, most of you do this. You think of what you want to say in your native language. Then you translate it to English. Then you say it. That 3-step process, it's the reason you hesitate. It's the reason you feel slow.
Oh no, I still do that. I'm doing it right now.
The fix is to start practicing internal monologue in English. When you're walking to the kitchen, think in English. I'm going to make coffee. I wonder if we have milk. I need to buy milk tomorrow. It feels strange at first, but after a while, that translation step disappears and your English becomes direct, immediate, fluent.
This is what changed everything for me. Honestly, the day I stopped translating and just started thinking in English, everything felt different, like I switched channels in my brain.
Beautiful way to say it. You switched channels. And that is the goal for all of you watching. All right, let's do a quick recap so this sticks in your brain. The reason you study for years and still can't speak is that studying and speaking are 2 completely different skills. And the answer is output. Use the language, don't just absorb it.
3 things to start today. Number 1, speak out loud for 5 minutes every single day. Number 2, try the shadowing technique. Find a video and repeat it out loud as it plays. And number 3, start thinking in English. Switch channels in your brain.
Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment right now and tell us. What is your biggest challenge with speaking English? We read every single comment, and we will make a video about the most common answers.
And if this video helped you, share it with one friend who is also studying English. Because the best way to learn is together. That's what Buddy English Channel is all about.
Subscribe if you haven't already. We're uploading new episodes every week, and we promise every single one will be this good, or better.
Don't forget, tomorrow is a new day, and tomorrow your English is going to be better than it is today.
See you tomorrow, buddy.
See you tomorrow, buddy.